I used to sell pens. My first job was cash paid daily and commission weekly. It was the first paid training I ever had for sales, but it wasn't where I learned to sell. It is where I learned how to sell pens. I'm going to sell you this pen. Hey Joe, this is Jerry. How's it going out there in Nebraska? Well, next time you're in San Diego, call me up. I'll set you up with a 7 foot tall margarita on the beach. You remember me. I'm the guy that manufactures all the custom ballpoint pens. You know, the ones with your company's name and number written right on them. This is my best pen. It's my micro mini pen. It's a 3.5 inch retractable stick pen, and it comes in the assorted neon colors you like. Well, I just lost the lease to my biggest warehouse, and now I gotta scrap out 40,000 pens by tomorrow night any way I can. I don't want you to go into business with me. Just take a box. Normally, these things list for $3.25 a box. Forget that. Forget even $3.15. Take them today for next to nothing. Take them for $3.05. I'll set them up like this. Joe's Auto, 5555555. It'll say, I stole it from Joe because he was too damn cheap to give me one. Look, Joe, I got 5 guys in the warehouse right now. All they're doing is sitting around and drinking my coffee. I got to get them back to work. Okay, forget a whole box. Take half a box today for 175. I'll set them up like this. I'll pay the shipping and I'll throw in some assorted samples for next time. Hey, to do any better than that, I've got to come out there myself and hand them out in my underwear. I'm going to print right on there, Joe's Auto. If Joe can't fix it, it ain't broke. At first, I loved selling pens. It got me a pack of Newports, a bag of Cheetos, and a 211 every day. But it was brutal and bad for the soul. At the time, everyone hated salesmen from all industries. And now I know why. I was an insulting liar, and I bounced from industry to industry. And it was always the same. Finally, I got out. I couldn't take it anymore. It was the alarm sales that finally pushed me over the edge. Selling the fear of safety, peace of mind for you and your family. So I quit sales. And a few years later, I decided I like commission. I like earning more when I do more. So I came back. But this time was different. I decided I was going to be the best salesperson I could be. Not the one at the top of the board, the one that didn't lie, the one that asked questions and cared about the answers. I realized I was meeting and talking to so many people a day that I used to hate the customer for no reason other than I probably hated myself because I was trying to cheat them. There was a better way. What if I tried to make a genuine connection with every person I talked to? What if I made a positive impact on these people whether I got the sale or not? Make everyone laugh at least once. Help identify their obstacles and find them solutions. Can you survive in sales and genuinely be good?